Seems kind of dangerous. All right, let me show you what we're doing. So the tires rubbed, even with me hammered. I hammered these back, and the tires still rubbed. So I'm gonna have to flare the rear fenders out, rear quarters. They were sitting on the tire, kind of like there. So I need about ½ an inch clearance on each side. So porta power. So I need to put the muffler and the air compressor tank in back here somewhere. So I'm gonna head and we're gonna slice this open and see if we can't push this out with the porta power and re-weld that before I clean and undercoat the bottom of the bed. Well, see how that works out. Inside to clear them. Touch the tires barely. 65.5 right there. So see if that'll stay. Nope. All right. Down here. Well, it's pushing pretty evenly, so that's good. It won't hold, but it's not doing anything out here that I can't Bondo. That won't. I don't think that'll stay. That'll go away in a minute. I want it to flare out to here and then even out as it goes down. We'll see if that'll work here. And 3/8, so I can still roll this down a little bit.
Well, you got to spread it a little more.
Why?
I would.
Why?
Just to be sure.
Why?
Get it out there another close to ½ an inch.
I don't want extra room. I don't want flared fenders. I just want clearance.
Yeah.
And what I gotta do, I should hammer this one back while I'm there. You gotta fucking weld a piece in here.
Yeah. Yeah. A filler.
So it stays out.
Yeah.
like a shelf bracket. That part of the contour fits well right here. Then I'll do this one, piece it together. I already got a ridge in it, so it's more structural than flat steel. Oh, all right. Well, I hacked out a piece of this steel. It looks shitty as hell, but you'll never see it under there. And I got the welder, the overpowered welder to blow holes in thin tin. So let me get this going, make a mess over here. Definitely not going for pretty. Going for structural. I'm gonna fill this, I'm gonna grind it down maybe a little bit, fill it in with some silicone or something, bed line everything underneath here, make it look good as long as it doesn't touch the tire. Still gonna roll this out a little bit with a dolly and a hammer, but for what it is, I think it's just fine. $65.5. Perfect. Yeah, I'm still under, but it's wider than it was, I think. Fingers and the wheels. Yeah. Easy there, whiskey. Oh, it'll also rock when it's hitting here too. I still put the fingers on this side.
You what?
I still put the fingers on that side.
Yeah, we're off too, so.
Yeah.
That's sitting right on it, isn't it?
Pick your body.
Yeah, I can't go any farther that way.
I know. I think that's about where it is though.
So what do you got for clearance over there? I got about 1/8 of an inch over here, maybe 1/4 inch.
About a 16th. Oh yeah,
And that's all the way down, so it's only gonna come up from here and be alright.
yeah. No. Well, once I get the drums on there,
Yeah.
it's gonna be touching. But god damn, look at that.
Hey man, like I said, the porta powers are cool, bro.